This is Davinci Resolve version 19, and usually the playhead, when you press the spacebar, is going to the right, and if you press the spacebar again, it stops at that position where the spacebar was pressed. Now the question is how to make the playhead, this red line, return to its original position from where it started when you press the spacebar. The short answer is this one. Right click on the stop button and activate this stop and go to last position. Right click on it and see it's checked. And now if I press the spacebar, notice it is going to the right, and if I press the spacebar here somewhere, it will return to there. Okay, it's there. So that's how to make the spacebar return again. If you uncheck this one here at stop, right click on the stop button, uncheck it. Now it is going to the right and spacebar, and it remains there. Okay, now another thing. Let's activate it. Let's get into some more details. So although it's active, notice the playhead is here. Let's say here below the stop button. If I press this play button, the playhead is going to the right, but if I press this stop button, although that is activated, the playhead did not return there. Why is that? That is because here at playback we can see that the spacebar is a pause key, whereas the K, which is the equivalent of this stop button, is a stop button. So pause is not the same as stop. That feature that the playhead will return to its original position, it's working with the pause key, which is the spacebar, but it's not working with the stop key, which is either this button or the letter K. So these will play the video, J, K and L, but the stop key will not make it return, neither that button. Only the spacebar can make it return. So press the spacebar, press it again, and it returns.